and now we are going to discuss setting page layout 3. In this chapter, we are going to discuss how to insert and delete image or background image in Excel. In Microsoft Excel, you can use a picture as a sheet background for display purpose only. A sheet background is not printed and it is not retained in an individual worksheet or in an item that you save as a web page. Because a sheet background is not printed, it cannot be used as a watermark. However, you can mimic a watermark that will be printed by inserting a graphics in header or footer. Add a sheet background. Click the worksheet that you want to display with a sheet background. Make sure that only one worksheet is selected. On the Page Layout tab in Page Setup group, click Background. As you can see in Page Layout, when we see the Page Setup group, then there is an option of background as you can see in this picture. Select the picture that you want to use for the sheet background and then click Insert. The selected picture is repeated to fill the sheet. To improve readability, you can hide cell grid lines and apply solid color shading to cells that contain data. A sheet background is saved with the worksheet data when you save the worksheet. To use a solid color as a sheet background, you can apply cell shading to all cells in the worksheet. Remove a sheet background. Click the worksheet that is displayed with the sheet background. Make sure that only one worksheet is selected. On the Page Layout tab in the Page Setup group, click Delete Background. Delete background is available only when a worksheet has a sheet background. As you can see in this picture, in Page Layout tab in Page Setup group, we have to click Delete Background, and it is only available when the worksheet has a sheet background. It means when we apply a sheet, then only that option is available in our Microsoft Excel page. Use a picture in header or footer to mimic a watermark. In drawing program such as Paintbrush, create a picture that you want to use as a watermark. In Excel, click the worksheet that you want to display with the watermark. Note, make sure that only one worksheet is selected. On the Insert tab in the Test group, click Header and Footer. Under Header, click either the left, center or right header selection box. On the Design tab of the Header and Footer tool, in the Header and Footer Elements group, click Picture button image and then find the picture that you want to insert. Double click the picture and picture appear in the header selection box. Click the worksheet. The picture you selected will appear in place of picture. To resize or scale the picture, click the header selection box that contains the picture. Click Format Picture in the Header and Footer Elements group, and then in the Format Picture dialog box, select the option that you want on the Size tab. Change to picture or picture format take effect immediately and cannot be undone. If you want to add blank space above or below a picture, in the header selection box that contains the picture, click before or after the picture and then press enter to start a new line. To replace a picture in the header section box that contains the picture, select picture, click picture button image and then click replace, and the picture is replaced. Before printing, make sure that the header or footer margin has sufficient space for the custom header or footer. To delete or a picture in header section box that contains the picture, select and picture, press delete and then click in the worksheet. To switch from page layout view to normal view, select any cell, click the view tab and then in the workbook view group, click normal.